Have you ever watched a movie in English and felt like the actors are speaking at 200 miles per hour? You catch one or two words, but then everything else just disappears. I know that pain. I used to feel completely lost every time native speakers talked fast. But today, I'll tell you the exact steps I use to train my ears, so now I can understand fast English naturally. And trust me, you can do it too. Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Anna, and in this video, I'll share my story of how I trained my ears to understand fast English. I'll give you real tips, simple methods, and even a story you can use to practice with me. So if you want to catch every word like a native speaker, stay with me until the end. When I first started learning English, I thought I was good. I could read books, I could write, and I even spoke slowly with my friends. But when I watched Hollywood, movies, or listened to native speakers, I understood nothing. They spoke too fast. Words joined together. It was like one long sound. I felt frustrated, and I even thought maybe English was not for me. But then I discovered something important. My ears were not trained. Just like we train our muscles in the gym, we must also train our ears for English. The first step I used was slow listening practice. I chose one short story in English and listened to it at slow speed, maybe 0.75 speed on YouTube. I listened again and again until my ears got comfortable. Then I increased the speed little by little until I could understand it at normal speed. This trick works like magic because your ears learn to recognize the sounds step by step. The second method I used was shadowing. Here's what I did. I played a small clip of native speakers talking, paused after one sentence, and then repeated it out loud, trying to copy the speed, the rhythm, and even the emotion. It felt difficult at first, but after 2 weeks, my ears started to predict the sounds. Suddenly, I could catch words that before only sounded like noise. The third step was learning connected speech. Native speakers don't usually say, "Do you want to eat?" They say, "Do you want to eat?" I made a list of common phrases like gonna, wanna, lemme, and gotta. Once I understood these shortcuts, fast English became much easier. My brain stopped searching for full words and instead started catching real-life English. Now let's practice together with a short story. I'll read it slowly first, then I'll read it fast like a native speaker. Your job is to train your ears. Here's the slow version. Yesterday, I was running late for work. I wanted to grab a coffee, but the line was too long. Suddenly, my friend called me and said, "Hey, where are you? We're waiting for you in the meeting." And now the fast version. Yesterday, I was running late for work. I wanted to grab a coffee, but the line was too long. Suddenly, my friend called me like, "Hey, where are you? We're waiting for you in the meeting." See the difference? Practice this daily and your ears will become stronger. So friends, understanding fast English is not about being smart, it's about training your ears step by step. Start with slow listening, use the shadowing method, learn connected speech, and of course practice with short stories like we just did. If you follow this, you'll see results faster than you expect. Tell me in the comments which English movie or series do you want to understand without subtitles? I'll reply to help you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English. Thank you for watching, and remember, your ears can learn fast English.